I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake.
Hey you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. I film cleaning videos, DIY videos, organization videos, the occasional lifestyle vlog videos. So if that's something that you are interested in and that is your vibe, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. Today we are filming a cleaning video. I will be cleaning the main areas of my home, my living room, my kitchen, the dining room. Those are the areas that mostly need the most work usually on a daily, just because it's the rooms that we use the most. So if you're here for some cleaning motivation, then you are in the right spot. And if these are your type of videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps me know that you guys are watching and you guys would like to see more. So let's get started. So we are starting off in the kitchen. You guys know that I love to start on my center island because it just sets the tone for me to really get things started. So clearing everything off and then wiping down the counters. I'm still using the Mr. Clean all-purpose spray mixed with some water. It just smells so good and it makes my home smell just so fresh and really clean. So this is what I've been sticking to lately. So just wiping everything down. I had tons of dirt everywhere because I had repotted most of my plants this day. I have been going crazy buying plants. I just feel like they bring so much life into your home. So usually around springtime and summertime is when you'll see my house filled with plants, and I love it. It just adds so much greenery, so much life, so much color. I love it.
Times, the good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise leading you out.
For my sink, I'm using the Dawn antibacterial dish soap in the apple scent, and I've actually been wanting to try the Dawn. It's like a Dawn in a spray bottle, dish soap like in a spray bottle, and it looks super cool. I've been wanting to buy that, but I want to finish this bottle first. Have you guys tried that one yet? If you know which one I'm talking about, I will probably have that for the next cleaning video. So I'm really excited to use that one. You know you're an adult when you're excited to use a dish soap.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork.
And now moving on to my stove, still using the Mr. Clean all-purpose spray, and I really need to deep clean this stove on the inside. So I think in a future video, I'm really going to spring clean and deep clean my kitchen because it really needs it.
If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight.
So after I wiped down the entryway table, I just switched up the decor a bit just to kind of, I get bored very easily with my decor, so I just switched it up a little bit. And then for my mirror, I used the Method glass cleaner. I really love that stuff to wipe off my mirrors. And then after that, I went on to vacuum the kitchen. So I actually have been using my vacuum. I just bought this vacuum. It's the Shark cordless vacuum. I don't know the exact model, but I have really been liking this instead of sweeping with the broom. It's been really working for us, and it really picks up pretty much anything. And it has these really cool bristles on the bottom of it where like I shed a lot of hair, so it really helps it to not pick up, or to not like let the hair get so tangled up in it like how it does in a regular vacuum. So I've really been enjoying that, and the charge is pretty good as well. So then now I'm moving on into the dining room area, and I have really try to be on top of the dining room because it's like where I work, and then where my son will do his Zoom classes as well. So just clearing that off and vacuuming.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
In the living room, it wasn't too bad, just rearranging all the pillows again, and then I went in to vacuum the rug. The rug surprisingly has been holding up fairly well considering that it's white and I have 3 kids, but so far so good.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
I didn't realize that I was out of frame until I went back and saw all the clips, so I apologize, but I'm just wiping down the entertainment center and still using the Mr. Clean all-purpose spray.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. Don't do right by me, I'll do right by you.
And then I had a load of laundry that I needed to hang and fold, so just clearing off that chair with that pile of clothes on it.
you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away.
I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and found some cleaning motivation from it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.